Homemade vitamin C drink for immune boost. Maximize your health naturally. A strong immune system is essential for overall health and well-being. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. While supplements are available, a homemade vitamin C drink can be a tasty and effective way to boost your immunity naturally. In this video, we will show you how to prepare a homemade vitamin C drink that will keep you healthy and protected. Recipe. Ingredients. Freshly squeezed orange juice, 4 oranges. Lemon juice, 1 lemon. Honey, 2 tablespoons. Ginger, 1-inch piece, grated. Water, 1 cup. Start by juicing the oranges and lemon to obtain fresh, natural citrus juices. Make sure to remove any seeds or pulp. In a small saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a gentle simmer. Add the grated ginger and let it steep for 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from heat and strain the ginger-infused water into a pitcher or a large glass. Add the freshly squeezed orange and lemon juices to the ginger-infused water. Stir in the honey and mix until it is completely dissolved. Health benefits of homemade vitamin C drink. Immune system support. Vitamin C is known to enhance the production of white blood cells, which are essential for a strong immune response against infections and viruses. A robust immune system helps your body defend against illnesses and stay healthy. Antioxidant protection. The antioxidants in vitamin C help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall health. Collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and strength to your skin and tissues. Wound healing. Vitamin C aids in the repair and regeneration of tissues, accelerating the healing process of wounds and injuries. It supports tissue formation and contributes to faster recovery. Iron absorption. Consuming vitamin C alongside iron-rich foods enhances iron absorption. This is particularly important for vegetarians or those at risk of iron deficiency, as it helps prevent anemia and boosts energy levels. Reduced cold symptoms. Vitamin C can reduce the severity and duration of common cold symptoms. It supports the immune system's ability to fight off viruses and infections. Heart health. Vitamin C supports healthy blood vessels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It helps maintain proper blood pressure and supports heart function. Stress reduction. Vitamin C helps regulate cortisol levels, reducing stress and anxiety. Adequate vitamin C intake may help manage stress and promote a sense of well-being. Conclusion. A homemade vitamin C drink is a simple yet powerful way to boost your immunity and overall health naturally. By incorporating this delicious beverage into your daily routine, you can take advantage of the numerous benefits of vitamin C and keep your immune system strong and resilient. Remember to consume a balanced diet and practice healthy lifestyle habits for optimal results.